guys, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, I got the Visuo. This is the XS812 GPS drone, foldable, right after this. Hey, welcome back guys. Thanks for joining me today on Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and today I got everything out of the box. So this quadcopter was sent to me from gearbest.com. I thank you guys for sending that out. This is the Visuo XS812. It's the GPS quad, so I can't wait to try it out. I believe this is their first version of GPS. Because of the ones they've been having was like Wi-Fi, FPV, and things like that, and altitude hold, but no GPS, guys. But this one today, they changed it, so that's awesome. I can't wait to take this for a flight. So anyways, let's get to it. You got 4 extra props, you got some prop guards, and you got the USB charger inside the bag here, of course a screwdriver. So for the charger, it's just a micro USB, and it just plugs in the side right here, guys. So I do recommend using their charger because it does have a light on there that flashes when it's charging, and then it shuts off when it's done charging. I wouldn't use the one for your cell phone and stuff like that, guys, so you don't overcharge the battery and cause it to overheat or wreck the battery or catch fire. So that's one thing I do recommend. It takes, I believe this one takes 4 AA's. I'm sorry, I got the all batteries put in here already and screwed down. So let's see, what else do we have? We got the phone holder, which you just pop this off on the back. This comes off, this slides on, guys. All right, and there you go. So I think this will probably hold a 5-inch phone. I'm going to use a little iPhone 5 because this one has 5G Wi-Fi, guys. So remember that if you get one, your phone or any Android device that you use or iPhone product has to be 5G capability, guys, or you won't be able to see you won't be able to connect to the app, guys. So all right, there we go. So I was going to tell you about this battery too. This one is actually a 3.85 volt. So that's kind of a strange voltage on there, but it's 1800 milliamps. So I'm sure it's probably going to give us a 15-minute flight, which would be awesome. That'll be good. And then the drone itself is pretty simple. You got an on and off switch here. These just fold out and then they kind of lock in. You can hear them kind of pop in there. Okay, and then another thing I wanted to show you is where you put the SD card, because it does have a built-in DVR recorder in here, guys. So you wanna go and, it's kind of hard, but you got to go and pop this out right here. So I put my thumbs right here, and I kind of, oh, there it goes, and it pops right out. So be careful, it will launch on you. But there's the recorder right there, guys. So you just slide the UD memory card there, the SD memory card right in there, and away you go. And I think you could put up to a 32 gigabyte card in there. So all right, guys, that's how that goes. And the camera does tilt up and down, so you can tilt it, but it's kind of flimsy a little bit, so it doesn't seem like it's going to lock in very well, guys. So all right, so I'm going to pop this back in. I'm going to put a memory card in, and then I'm going to put it back in, and then I'm going to go for a flight, guys, because I think that's about it, what I covered at the instruction manual. So got everything there is to know, all the functions for the controller, and the controller's labeled, guys, so that's going to be just perfect because it's all on here in case you forgot the manual or something, but everything is labeled, guys, so you can't miss that. You got the orbit, and I believe this one's, yeah, the speed rate, so everything's here, guys. All right, let's get out to a flight. All right, guys, we're going to test out this 1080p camera. We're going to go and take this thing for a flight. My phone's booting up, just came on. I'm going to do the calibration out here so I don't have no interference from the concrete back there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the controller, turn on the drone. So we're going to link it up, down. It's linked. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do a compass calibration for the GPS. You're going to press this button. Okay. Right now, this red light's flashing. If you guys can see that, that means it's ready to go in a circle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now that is solid, guys. And the green one is, let me get in a spot here. The green one is flashing. So now we got to put this up and do 3 turns. 3. Okay. Alright, green is solid now. The back is flashing because we're waiting for satellites. So now we can go ahead and take this over here. Excuse me. Take this to the concrete. We're going to calibrate it. Alright, it's calibrating. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the app, guys. Alright, Wi-Fi is on. Let me connect to the GPS here. App, it's SXW Visuo app here, guys. Press GPS. Alright, it is connected. We have Wi-Fi. Alright, guys. So as you can see, we have Wi-Fi. We have 11 satellites right now. It says up on the controller here, or actually on the phone, excuse me. Don't forget this is Wi-Fi FPV for 5. You have to have 5G network. Right now it says 11 satellites. It's ready to take off. So point and lock it says. So all right. So to take off, you're gonna just press down like so. Turn them in, and it's ready to go. When you press record on here, the light will flash. Take it out here a little bit, guys. It's twitchy because of the wind right now. Let me put it in a 3rd rate right here. There we go, 3rd rate. Take a look at it here real quick. Pretty stable. It's locked in. That's good. Let's take this thing for a flight. When you press record on here, the little red light will flash on the back there when you're recording, and then you can start record. It'll show that it's recording right here on the screen of the phone too as well. So alright, we're gonna go and take off. I didn't upload the maps at all, but you guys can do that. Let's just go for a flight here. All the way at the end of that field is 150 meters. So I'm going to go up a little bit. Still getting very good Wi-Fi. Going to go ahead and circle around. It's 150 meters there already. It only shows how high you are off the ground. No, we're 96. It's showing the distance. Height is saying altitude is 13.5. Gonna come over me. The sun's in the way. Sorry about the sun. All right, here we go. Really nice, guys. This thing is a very nice quadcopter. I mean, I I haven't had no signal breakups at all. Crystal clear. I went 150 meters, no problem at all. I didn't have any breakups, guys. I'm gonna try the orbiting mode. See if I can get that thing working. Alright guys, here's orbit me mode. It's going up a little bit. You can still see me here. For some reason it's going out there. It's gonna come and turn back and look at me here in a second. Let's see what happens here. Alright, turn it around. Alright, I'm gonna press the toggle switch over to the right. Okay, now it's circling around me, guys. You can go as fast as you want or as slow as you want, but you have to go and move the toggle switch for it to orbit around in a circle. So you have to try to find the right spot. It's going by itself now. See, I got it started by pressing one way. There we go. Get out here a little more. It's off track again. There it goes. You see me on the phone. Alright, we got 54%. Okay, I'm going to stop that. Okay, there's headless mode, this button here. I'll shut that off. I'm going to do a return to home and see how close it gets. We took off over there, guys. Alright, let me get out here a little bit. I'm going to take off out here. Hold on, guys. Be right back. I'm going to head out here a little bit while I still got 50%. You guys can see the drone. Guys, it's about 54 meters away. I'm going to hit, let me go over towards the center. Okay, I'm going to hit the return to home, guys. Here we go. Return to home. Okay, it's going up. It's turning around, facing towards me, and here it comes. Let's see how close it is. I'm standing in the shade for a minute. Let's see how close it slowed down so it could find its pinpoint. Let me come over here where it landed. It landed right here. Let me go in the shade. Landed right where the shade was right here. I took off right in the shade. Let's see how close it gets. Okay. It's going to be pretty close. Here it comes. It's descending, guys. Descends kind of fast for a second. And then it'll stop and it'll slow itself right before it gets to the ground. So it's off a little bit, guys. I'm going to go ahead and back it up so it don't land in those wood chips. Okay, so that's pretty close, guys. That's not too bad. Alright, guys, that's not bad at all. We still got 72% left on the battery. Looks like we've been out here for about 10 minutes so far. I don't see anything else on here that's any extra stuff. That's basically it, guys. Emergency shut off. Let's try about right here. I press shut off. You hold it for a second and then it kills the motors if you have to. So emergency shut off works. So everything works. I really like this drone a lot, guys. This one works great. Definitely a fun flyer. The Wi-Fi works phenomenal. Works phenomenal with the iPhone 5, I tell you that much. If you got an iPhone 5, it works perfect with it, guys. I haven't had any breakups. We got 36%. Going fast now, guys. I'm going to let it hit the LBC and do an automatic return to home. So should be kicking in about 25%, guys. There we go. All right, it's kicking in. It should, now it's going to return to home. See, it took control right now. I didn't do this. LBC kicked in, so it's going to automatically return to home, guys. And that was at 29%, guys. About 30% expected to return to home. And there it goes. It's coming back home. I'm going to just bring it down, guys. It looks like it's just staying there, so I'm going to start the descent. So, alright guys, when it returns to home, it brings you at least above the point where it took off. You just got to bring it down. So it came right on point though. I'm right here, right where it took off. So, alright guys, I'm going to shut off the recorder. Shut that off. Shut the controller off because I don't want to hear that beep. Alright guys, hey, the Visuo, this thing's awesome, guys. This is the XS812, guys. Very awesome. Thank you, GearBest, for sending this out. This thing works phenomenal. I really like this. It's definitely going to be my go-to drone right here. I really like this one, guys. I love the Wi-Fi. Had no breakups anywhere. At 150 meters, not one. I didn't get one glitch, nothing, guys. And I'm in a high area where there's hot spots over here, so there's a lot of Wi-Fi interference. I didn't have anything happen. So alright guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.